Our love for each other was so pure. I looked out for you, you reached out to me. We would never be separated by simple aberration, cause our regular collaborations, yes, at times together was so sweet. And all the weekends we would have our meetings. You were seeking my attention, you called me every single day for conversation. You were confident even when the problems and obstacles and potholes were challenges. You trusted me amidst your disarray. I hoped you stayed to hear what I had to say. My encouragement was your strength to carry on, even though you relied on Dom Perignon. You wanted a higher love, I provided. You are my bride, why did you fight it?
You wanna be together with me for eternity. You turn your head the other way and choose to feed your greed. You are my masterpiece, I have washed your feet. My love for you will never change, I will never change.
No matter what the world says about you, truth will always stand and it'll bear fruit. Sometimes you're embarrassed of me, and yet so arrogant to your peers like Pharisee. Heresy floats on the surface, instead of bidding on my rock you decide to throw them. You would greet me with a cloak passion, but lack the compassion. You act up, attracted to blasphemy, myself and I mentality. The Pharisees that you ain't really worthy, you're not the master, says Luke 17. I married you, I've tasted the tea you brew. If you ain't hot for me, then you're dispensable. I don't care how sweet you were today, make sure you pick up your cross and follow my word.
You wanna be together with me for eternity. You turn your head the other way and choose to feed your greed. You are my masterpiece, I have washed your feet. My love for you will never change, I will never change. You're holding out for something big to happen. All you really need are my arms to be wrapped in. You know that, but you refuse to admit that I am the only one that you're lacking. What happened to the passion?